cuties, welcome to online class. Class 3, subject Science, Unit 3 and topic Plants and their habitat. Where does the plants grow? Can you know the answer? Yes, plants grow almost everywhere on earth. They are on land and in water. What is habitat? The natural home of a plant is called its habitat. Plants make suitable adjustment with their surroundings to meet their requirements. This is known as adaptation. In today's class, we are going to discuss about terrestrial or land plants. The plants that grow on the land are of different habitat such as desert, plains, mountains and forest. Let us learn about the adaptation of different land plants. The first one is plants in desert. The plants grow in desert are hot, dry and sandy places. Deserts get very less rainfall and experience high temperature. Hence, there is scarcity of water. What are the adaptations the plants have? The first one is leaves are changed to spines to reduce the loss of water. The stem is green and fleshy. They store water and produce food. And third one, these plants have long root. Why they have long root? To search of water. The long root that goes deep into the soil. Examples of desert plants are opuntia, date palm and aloe vera. Now, plants on mountain. The plants grow in mountains, cold and freezing places. There is cool weather in mountain. Now, let's see what are the adaptations they have. These trees are conical in shape. This shape allows snow to slide from the trees easily. Needle-like leaves help them to survive in cold conditions like snow. These trees do not shed leaves. Do you know what is the meaning of shed leaves? The leaves will not fall down. Okay. Now, fourth one. They have cones instead of flowers. These cones protect the seeds during harsh winter. The mountain plants, they don't have the flowers. Instead of flowers, what they have? They have cones. Example, pine tree. Next, plants in plains. Plants in plains need to adapt both dry conditions and extreme temperatures. They grow in warmer climate and usually shed their leaves in winter to protect themselves from cold. They have flat and broad leaves. They have thick and woody stem. Example, mango, banyan and teak. Next, plants in coastal areas. Example is coconut tree. They are tall and mostly striped. The leaves are called frond. The frond look like feathers meant for protection from wind. These plants tolerate to saline water. Saline water is nothing but salt water. Example of coastal plant is coconut tree. Okay children, In today's class, we discussed about what is terrestrial plant and what are the types of terrestrial plant. The first one is desert and the second one is mountain and third one is plains and fourth one is coastal areas. First, desert. In desert plants, leaves changed to spines and the stem is green and fleshy. Second one, in mountain plants, the trees are conical in shape and leaves are needle in shape. These trees do not shed. Next, plants in plains. They have flat and broad leaves. They have thick and woody stem. They can grow in dry condition as well as extreme temperatures. Now fourth one, plants in coastal areas. They are tall and straight. The leaves are called it as frond. Frond is look like feathers. Example, coconut tree. Okay cuties, now for you homework. Take your book, page number 66. The first one, match the plants with their living places. According to the pictures, you can match the places. And second one is, select the incorrect statement from the following. You have to select the incorrect sentence and mark in book. And question number B, tick the odd one. And question number C, circle the places which are land habitats. This is the homework for you children. Thank you.